Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. We begin with news that the two policemen at the center of the controversial shootings in Spanish Town, St. Catherine are to be charged with murder. The Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP Paula Llewellyn, made the ruling today. It was delivered to the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, this morning. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has the story.
The incident involving two off-duty cops on April 28 is one that left the reputation of the Jamaica Constabulary Force in tatters. Just over 2 weeks later, a ruling by the Director of Public Prosecution, Paula Llewellyn, Corporal Romain Scott and Kirk Fraser should be charged. Each officer will be charged jointly with 7 offenses. Corporal Scott is to be charged separately with 2 other offenses. The charges include manslaughter, shooting with intent, and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. In a release today, the Independent Commission of Investigation, INDICOM, said Corporal Scott is further charged with illegal possession of firearm and illegal possession of ammunition for that firearm. The officers are expected to appear before the Home Circuit Court on Monday. The shootings, which involved 2 off-duty cops and a team of officers from Mobile Reserve, resulted in Sheldon Jr. Biggs Daly being shot dead at Chedwin Park. This was followed by a police officer as well as a civilian being killed after a high-speed chase ended in a motor vehicle crash. It was reported that more shots were also fired. The police officers who are to be charged have given contradicting versions of the incident. Days after, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang announced a major shakeup in the police force, including news that the Mobile Reserve Unit to which the alleged rogue cops are attached will be disbanded. The head of Mobile Reserve, Senior Superintendent Terence Bent, has also been sent on leave to facilitate further investigations. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.